Good morning. The van build is getting closer to the finish, although it'll be never finished anyway. But I started this time to do some finishing work with some automotive tweed fabric. Those parts that are not covered, and those are not that many, but some are. I'm trying to cover and finish up. One of them is the area around that side window that I recently made, the windowsill. And that pillar on the side, on the right side of the sliding door. The sliding door has a big plastic panel that's covered now. Got a header for my curtain rail here on top. You can't see now, but that's done too. And I did the rear pillars and ceiling cross member at the rear doors. So that all looks really nice. It was pretty simple work. It's about a couple of bottles of spray glue, the 3M77. You just spray it, and well, it's a little bit more complicated, but it was fairly simple work, and it has a nice, really nice result. So just watch and enjoy. You can see that I'm approaching the end of the van build because I'm starting to do some finishing work. And this is the latest one that I have. I'm gonna make a few panels and cover a few walls inside the van with some tweed. And that's the tweed that I got. It's an automotive tweed, so it's suitable for what I'm using it for. The first thing that I'll do is start using it on a panel that I removed from the sliding door. So I'm covering this plastic panel with some tweed just to finish it off a little bit. I'm going to use a piece of chalk to indicate where it has to be cut. Okay. Now I'll draw out where I have to put some glue, some spray glue. Gonna spray the panel first, and hopefully you can keep the overspray a little bit within the tweed. So let's see. And then the tweed. Okay, let's see what we can do. That's sticky. I'll have to spray the edges, both this edge as well as that one, because I have to fold it in. But before I do that, I have to cut the corners. And now I have to cut the corners. And that's a gamble. Hi. Hallo. Kom je eens kijken? Ja? Hè? Ja, een boot. Hé. Een boot. Thank you. Hè? Doe altijd even kijken. Ja, altijd even kijken. Ja, in welk? Hè? Welk? Bye bye. That looks good. I think that it works perfectly. The bottom ones are regular screws with a washer. Now I have to go to the outside and finish these 3 or 4 things out there. Yeah, sometimes it's difficult to do things so it shows on the video, but it works. Looks a lot different now. I put some fabric on the cover around the window, and now and that comes up to this line approximately, and now I want to finish that part of the wall that's next to it, and for that I will be at least taking down the rubber seal. I'm able to. To do that, I'll be starting to put some glue on the fabric. I'll do that inside. Okay. Yep, that works. Okay. Go. Yep. Hey. Hey. You okay? You're okay. Temporarily, because I still have to put some insulation in here. Bye-bye. And in anticipation of the ceiling, I've already done the header for the curtain as well. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.